coming down here to convert people. It's a question of democracy, you see. Because in a democratic country, if there are more majority of, say, Muslims or Christians, then they become the sort of the rulers, you see. So this move is here to purchase people, convert them. And they are worried about it. I told him Sahaj Yoga is the only way by which people will settle down into themselves. You see, to have such a large majority in this country, you better have some water. Such a large majority, and I should say such a large democracy. And democracy, one has to pay a lot because such influences might infiltrate. See, the Saudi Arabians can come down here and sort of clamp the whole country with their possibilities there. I mean, they can't do this in Russia or Poland or any place where there's no democracy. But without democracy, people cannot develop. They cannot develop. Like if say a Russian comes here, he's not bothered about yoga or anything. Never. He is if he's in Bombay, he'll ask if there's a discotheque or something. If he comes to the villages, he will see, oh, how dirty your villages are. It's so inconvenient. He has so many problems. He can't do this. He can never feel the peace. He can never feel the peace because they are not developed. All such undemocratic countries have human beings who are not yet developed for Sahaj Yoga. They are more bothered about things which are of very little importance in actual spiritual life. So, it's a very funny situation. If you don't have the democracy, then you do not develop. Anyone I've seen coming now by my husband's job, I've met all kinds of people all over the world. Whatever you may say about Americans, they are seeking God, no doubt. They may be Europeans. A Russian and American, if you see from Sahaj Yoga point of view, a Russian is absolutely a mediocre from Sahaj Yoga point of view. Because he only worried about his personal convenience. It's absolutely a hopeless case. That is wrong, this is wrong. They can never appreciate the bliss of India. They can. This is very materialistic also. The whole thing is based on materialism. Lady Czechoslovakian in America. She's so different. And she told me she lives on a tree, you will be amazed. She made her house on a tree. And she was telling me that, Mother, when will people be awakened to something better? That's very true. They are not awakened to it. But still they cannot express themselves for us. They are very mundane type. Very mundane. Even if they come to Sahaj Yoga, they won't be able to stand it. Because what they ask for is not the essence, it's so superficial. In their country, if they get one loaf, which is just like what we give to our cows here, when they will come here, they'll find. There's sort of a ego style, behavior. The show. Down in democratic countries.
माताजी